the world didn't matter. We was on that mood swing, following that mood change, feeling like a new thing, feeling like you knew me. Swear it's like a movie. I was on that move fast, you was on that move chill. Tell me where to move at, I'm still frozen in the matrix. Like baby, pick that red or blue pill. Like baby, we ain't got forever to try something real.
Safe to say that I'm just playing it safe. Everything moves, but I choose to remain.
So I feel like today, well, this week, I'm not going to say today, but this week is going to be like a clean out. I want to organize and clean my pantry out again because there are some foods in here that I know that I just don't need to have and that I'm not going to be eating. And also my juicer up here, my sister's gonna have this juicer for a while because she's entering the stage of doing like the colon and the liver cleanse, so she's juicing a lot this week. Basically all she can have is juice. So I'm gonna give this to her so she doesn't have to buy one just for this little bit of time. So I'm gonna try to reorganize, throw away anything that I don't need. If there's anything in here that hasn't been opened yet, I'll just donate it and we'll go from there. But I do need to buy like some bins or something from Target to put stuff in, like my rice and like my dry beans. I have some amaranth and just some other stuff that I have that might be able to go in there. I might be able to put my almonds in there, walnuts and stuff like that. And this is the medicine cabinet. So since I do have all my other stuff, pretty much can throw away everything else. Because once my body is alkaline, I don't think I'll need anything else. So the only thing that I'm not going to throw away from right now will be these three things. So we'll keep these. And yeah, so I think that's about it. But once I actually start to clean everything out, I'll show you what comes out of here. And then this will basically clear up a lot of space for me. So I don't have to have so much stuff here. While we're talking about the cabinets, I also want to just go through here and throw some stuff away. But like these dishes, they really don't coordinate with anything, so I'm gonna try to get rid of those because I have some plates up here. And I just bought these new glasses. If you watch my previous vlogs, you'll see those and where I got those from. And I have some little mason jars. But you know how you go out to places to eat, or if you do like pickup, you like just accumulate so many cups. I might keep some of those, but for the most part, I really want to get these two shelves like down. I have a whole lot of mugs. Some I really can't throw away because they're sentimental and they mean a lot to me. If other people bought them for me, or if I got them from like conventions or something, like when everything was open. So I don't know, I just kind of want to rearrange everything up here. Oh my goodness. And then like the last thing is this nasty refrigerator. Like I have so much food in here, and it's even some food in here that I can't use anymore. Like I think back there, those are some what are those called? The flat bread things that you put in the toaster. I don't know why I can't think of the name of it. The breakfast bread, I can't think of the name, but yeah. So I have all this stuff that I need to throw away. It's not that's just necessarily horrible food that I don't need to be eating. I just can't eat it right now. So except for like dairy stuff, we don't normally drink regular milk. Me and my daughter have almond milk. That's what we drink. And my nephew, like, he's still like a toddler, so that's the milk that he's on right now. But like the cheese and sour cream and stuff, we really want to get off of that, so I want to throw that away. And instead of having like our fruits and vegetables shoved on the shelf, we kind of want to put them where they're supposed to go in those bins. So I really need to get in here and clean this out. And then something spilled in my freezer, and I don't know, I guess it was a popsicle that popped or something, but I don't know how it would have leaked because it's in the freezer. I want to take the salmon out. We're having salmon for dinner tonight, so take that out of the freezer right now. I kind of need to go ahead and cook that one too because I've had it for like a week and I don't want it to get bad. So yeah, today is just like a clean day, and if you can't tell, I literally just woke up. My voice is just not having it today, but I kind of want to clean up right now and get the bands and stuff so we can get started. I have a little bit of laundry to do, but that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for today.
Safe to say that I'm just playing it safe.
I need to start that way though, right?
Yeah, it's on. Y'all stay here.
I need to go across the street and walk back.
And walk back.
Okay. Okay, so I'm at Whole Foods and I'm about to go in and get my food so I can see what I have to have on this list.
I just came out of salad station and got a salad. I only got like, I wasn't supposed to get this ranch, I'm just gonna tell the truth. And I got some edamame and I wasn't supposed to have that or the olives, but everything else is fine. Yeah, but I'm hungry. I didn't have any breakfast this morning. It is now 11:48, so I'm really hungry. So I thought a salad would be the best thing to do.
Everything moves, but I choose to remain.
Alright, so I have this magnet in my shop, and I had a customer reach out to me and ask if I could make this into a sticker. So I went ahead and did it, and she already paid for it. So that was like the best thing about it, because we always get customers that ask for certain things made a certain way, or if I can turn like a print into something. But then after we go through the process paying for the product, then the customer sometimes they don't come through and they don't actually buy it. So I was very grateful to this customer, because as soon as I told her that I could do it, she went ahead and paid for it. So I thought that was really nice. So I'm just gonna pack her order now. And my thank you cards, all of them have something on the back of them. So the thank you card with my information, and then this is something that she can keep, maybe hang up on her desk or her wall. So I'm just going to pack this order because it needs to go out today. I'm also going to throw this keychain in for her as a free gift. I have to take the film off. That's why it looks kind of scratchy. But they're slightly messed up. And the only thing that's wrong with it, I don't even think I can zoom in on it, but on her eyelash, when the manufacturer cut it, they didn't cut it all the way correctly. So, I mean, I have this keychain on my keys right now. I still like it. I just don't like the fact that they were not precise in their cutting. So I'm putting these in everybody's package. I mean, so you can either keep them or throw them away. Because I already have one. I've given them out to family members. So the few that I have left over, I'm just actually giving these out. I also need to go to the store and get like some cardboard envelopes, because these are just so thin, especially for what I send. I mean, they work, they're perfect, but I just feel like I want something else, like just another option. This fits fine in here and it won't get bent either, but I don't know. I just feel like I want to move and have a little bit more, so I might look today Hobby Lobby doesn't offer it, so I'll probably have to go somewhere like a FedEx or the post office to get that, or I might just have to go online and buy it in bulk. So I don't know, we'll see, but that is something that I'm thinking about, just expanding and trying to find different packaging ideas.
Safe to say that I'm just playing it safe.
Alright, so this is lunch. Me and my daughter just eating the same thing. She has a smaller portion, and then this is mine. This is long grain brown rice. And then black beans, and then some steamed broccoli. And then we'll have water with lemon, I think. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put some lemon in my water. So as soon as I said I needed to clean up my desk, I sat down and just started designing a sticker. So I don't know if any cleaning is gonna get done, but I made this like a few weeks ago. I designed it and put a lot of little elements in there, and then I just added it on this Love Everyone, and I like the color combination. I think it's pretty cute. I don't know if I want to do it as a square sticker or like a die cut. So I don't know if I need to outline like the sticker to just go around the wording and the little leaf. What do you think? Should I keep it as a square or what? I like it though. I might post it on my Instagram page.
I was in a daze, you were in a maze. Still don't know what happened. Everything faded, we were face to face. The world didn't matter.
Alright, so after I changed all my light bulbs, I finally got to doing this drawer. This is like the junk drawer, something that I said I would never have in my home, but here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this out, and I think some of this stuff can actually be moved to the pantry, like the foil or saran wrap. And then like I have a lot of batteries in here, then it's like instructions to things that I've put together, and it's just a drawer of things that just don't like have any meaning, and I could use this for something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out, and then it's probably the last thing that I'm gonna do for today, I think.
We was on that mood swing, following that mood change, feeling like a new thing, feeling like you knew me. Swear it's like a movie. I was on that move fast, you was on that move chill. Tell me where to